Upper Cervical Chiropractic of Monmouth. I'm Dr. Miola, and we have Jim here. Jim is one of our patients, and we just want to find out a little bit about what he experienced here when he came as a patient. Also, Jim, why don't you just tell our listening audience and all a little bit about what your kind of condition you had before you came with us?
That's easy. I had barely any movement in my neck whatsoever.
Okay.
The pain was excruciating in the morning. It would take 3 to 4 hours before I was able to do anything without, it was horrible. And I was off balance.
Mm-hmm.
I'd get up, I was dizzy and off balance, and it was a bad situation. So 10 years ago, I had been here, and they helped me then. Not as bad, but they helped me then. And I would have been continuing on, except my wife had issues, and
Okay.
she came first.
Sure.
So now my neck again was to the point where, I was incapacitated in the mornings. And so I was taking your typical things, your heating pads and your aspirin to try to alleviate the pain. But the dizziness was what scared me.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing like getting up and falling. I was worried about falling in the shower or whatever.
Right.
So I forget something that came across my attention that reminded me about upper cervical, and I said, let me go in there again. So I did. I came to see the doctor, and he did his examination, which was
Okay.
very thorough, and he made up a plan and explained everything to me. I said, okay, because the treatment changed from the first time.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it was very interesting for me. I was going for massages, which helped, but I didn't change anything else. So
Okay.
the problem kept coming back.
Coming back and stuff. Yeah.
So we made appointments, and we came in, I think, 2 times a week or 3 times a week, I forget, in the beginning. But within 2 or 3 weeks, I was able to turn my head.
Oh, wow.
Before that, I had to turn my whole body to see, and I ride a motorcycle, so imagine
Oh, geez.
how unsafe that was.
Mm-hmm.
And I think a lot of my problem was from 40 years of driving a motorcycle, especially without a windshield.
Yeah.
So with all that wind resistance knocking you all the time, 5-hour trips here down to DC and whatever. So you pay a price for what you do in life. But after 3 weeks of that, amazing difference. The pain was subsiding. I wasn't as dizzy. I was able to get up within an hour or so. I was, able to do things. I'm in a point where you don't even want to eat. You're in such much pain.
Sure.
So it kept coming and it kept getting better. And I started thinking about, now I could think clear about what I'm doing during the day.
Oh, okay.
And how I'm sleeping and how I'm sitting. And I realized, I need to change what I'm doing in order to get better. So I did my stuff at home and realized, how I was sleeping, and don't fall asleep in the recliner. It's not a good idea. But several weeks went by, and we were down to 2 times a week, and I guess it was 6 months, and we come in every day. We have many doctors here. Every one of them were very professional, very well trained, and they all treated me well and very friendly.
Great.
And I recommend the treatment tremendously. I had talked to several people. It's a concept that is foreign to most people.
Mm-hmm.
So unless they come and experience it, you know what I mean? But I keep pushing it. I don't push too hard, but I keep, and they keep asking, how you doing? I said, well, look, I can move my neck again, there's barely any pain at all. And unless I'm up all night and doing computer work, or, holidays are always stressful.
Right, yeah.
But other than that, much better life. I can think again, and not just think about pain, but think.
Sure. How is it on the motorcycle now?
Much better on motorcycle. Like I said, I can turn down and see what's going on. Long trip, who knows? I haven't been on a long trip, but I have a windshield now.
Okay.
I have a windshield, and I do things differently too. I just put heated grips on, so my my hands are warm.
Oh, wow.
All these little things make a major difference.
Mhm.
When you're young, you know, pay attention to them.
Yeah.
But as you get older, you realize you better take care of yourself because you don't heal as fast.
Exactly.
You know.
Yeah.
So I'll be 70 in June, and I'm enjoying life.
There we go. That's good.
I'm able to do things. I got a granddaughter. I can play with her on the floor and get up without falling over.
And those are the key things.
Those
in
are the
life
key
now.
things in life. So that's what it's all about.
Very good. Well, Jim, we enjoy having you here as a patient, and we enjoyed you telling some of the people out there in the audience and stuff your, condition, where you started from, what you did, and how you're feeling now. Hopefully, if any of our audience has any kind of conditions, the vertigo, the dizziness, the lack of energy, the lethargy that was going on, the inability to drive their motorcycle and all, or other
Or sleep.
issues going on, or sleep, we would highly welcome you and recommend that you give the office a call here at Upper Cervical Chiropractic of Monmouth and have us give an evaluation and consultation with you and all. So again, thank you, Jim.
Sure.